is to learn the biological evidence for DNA analysis, examination, the blood and urine.
What skills do you expect to gain from this laboratory?
I expect to gain from laboratory is for mastering specific procedures, protocols, and laboratory.
These skills help you in your criminology journey and future career.
As a criminology student, it will help my DNA analysis skills needed to strengthen forensic skills, improve criminal investigations, and ensure justice for victims.